Hello guys, I'm the Introvert, and welcome to my series where I'll be explaining the entirety of Calculus 1. Now this series will be made assuming you already understand concepts from algebra, trigonometry, and pre-calculus. If you don't, I highly suggest that you learn about them before watching any of my Calc tutorials. This series will cover everything from Calc 1 or Calc AB if you're in high school. That means everything from limits to differentiation to integration. We'll also go over some of the practical applications of calculus concepts, such as optimization and related rates. A typical video in this series will consist of a lecture in a similar style to Khan Academy or the Organic Chemistry Tutor. Some example problems then that I'll go over in the video, and then some of the practice problems that'll be left for the viewers to complete. The first person to comment the answers to all the practice problems will have their comment pinned and featured in the next video in the series. Anyway, that's it for now. Subscribe to my channel for my next video where I'll be talking about limits.